Okay, we are going to make this timeline of Sitting Bull for our 7th grade computer class. So this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. But first we will need to open a document on Microsoft Word. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go into your layout and your orientation, and you're going to change it to landscape. What that does is it gives us more room to work with. Okay, after that we're going to go back to insert. Okay, insert, and we're going to click Smartart. Click Smartart. Okay, we have all of these options. We're going to click process. Okay, and these will be timelines. We're going to go all the way down until we see this basic timeline. Double click or click and press OK. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to need a little bit more room. Alright, but see the Smartart Tools, when you click on this, click on your shape, the Smartart Tools pops up and we're in design, and that's where we need to be. So what we're going to do is we need 6 bullet points. So we're going to add shape. That's 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's the beginning of our timeline. Click on it again, and this little arrow here, click on that, and now we're going to start putting in the data and the dates, which I put on your Edmodo. So the first one, born on, just going to copy and paste. So you can highlight it, Control C, we'll copy it, go back over, and Control V. Okay, so that's my first one. What's my next one? Highlight 1831, Sitting Bull was born on the Grand River. The next one, 1845, counted first coup, given the name Sitting Bull. Okay, I'll add that in here. Control V, we'll paste it. Alright, let's find the next one. 1867, made chief of all the Northern Lakota. Highlight, Control C, that'll copy it. We're going to go back and insert over here, Control V to paste it. Alright, let's go back. The next one, June 25th, 1876, Battle of the Greasy Grass. Highlight, Control C, back to our timeline, Control V. Alright, again, let's do the next one. December 15th, 1890, killed by Indian police at his cabin on the Grand River. Highlight, Control C. Go to your timeline, Control V. Alright, and then we have one more event. 1985, relatives of all families involved in Sitting Bull's death made relatives with each other. Highlight, Control C. Go back, find our last bullet point, Control V. Okay. So there is our initial timeline. Now what you could do is you could change up here in design, you could change the design of the timeline. It has all of these different options to make it look different. I kind of like that with the button look. But choose whatever one you like. Alright. For this one, I'm just going to use the basic one that we started with. You can also change the colors of your timeline. Alright, maybe I want this color. Alright. And the last thing we're going to do is we need to insert a title. Sitting Bull timeline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to insert. Alright, insert, shapes, and then this little button right here is your text box. We need to insert a text box. So you're going to click on it, and that's going to bring this little square, or this little target kind of sign up. So this is 9 inches. This is 9 inches across. So right in the middle would probably be, I would say 3 to 6 inches is right in the middle about. Okay, I'm going to make my box that big. Type Sitting Bull timeline and highlight, and Control B will bold it, and Control right bracket will make the text bigger, and Control E will center your timeline into your text box. Or you can also go back here Go to 20-point font, click on bold, right? And then click on the center right there. All right. And then we have our timeline. When you're done, please upload to Edmodo.